Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Please pay attention to the content in this video. We are selling this truck in two different ways. The first way is exactly as you see it, exactly as I describe it. If it does not sell in a few weeks, so we'll say the third week of July, we will proceed with what we plan on doing, which will be described in this video as well. So starting off, you were looking at a 2004 GMC Sierra diesel 2500, one owner, 137,000 original and documented miles. The hood is popped on purpose because I'm getting ready to show you guys the engine. We'll do a quick walk around this truck. The undercarriage and floor pans, frame, cross members are absolutely pristine, no rust issues whatsoever. The frame still has all these stickers on it from the factory. The leaf springs still have the stickers. The undercarriage is truly like new. Truck comes with everything that you see on it, like brand new boxes all the way around, rack up top, all LED lighting all around the rack. Properly ran, good hardware, C-clamps. We have the keys to all the boxes. Body is in phenomenal condition. Only thing to nitpick on the exterior is these side steps. These are always cheap. Start to flake off on the powder coat. You get a little bit of rust, not on the brackets, just on the side step. It's very minor. Take a look at this frame. We haven't touched this truck, guys. We haven't detailed it. That's part of you buying it this first way as is. These cross members are absolutely perfect. This frame is perfect. All you're seeing is a little bit of road debris. There's been no paint applied to it. There's no flake rust. These springs are perfect. Clamps are perfect. I mean, just as clean as can be. We have a lot of pictures of the floor pan and frame and undercarriage. So you got a little ding right there. There was a company sticker on the side. Those have been taken off. Part of our second option is for us to buff that door to get it off 100%. I have put about 100 miles on this. I towed my 900-pound boat with it. Truck drives absolutely phenomenal. Very hot day here in Richmond, Virginia. Doesn't overheat. AC's ice cold. Very well serviced. A lot of new parts. All you're seeing is a little bit of dust on this. We wanted to show you the exact way it came in. Smooth as can be. Like I mentioned, we have all the keys. Beacons up front as well. 04 with 137. You will not believe this inside. Look at those bolsters. Seatbelt's not even filthy. Side vinyl in great condition. These seats have not been dyed whatsoever. AC is absolutely freezing right now. Good oil pressure, great temperature. Everything is as it should be. Good throttle response. Headliner, check it out. No burn holes. There's no signs of cigarette smoking. The factory lighter has never been used. I mean, she's, for a work truck, just absolutely beautiful. Does have the vinyl floors. Show you this area. Cross members perfect. Just looking at some road debris. I mean, just as clean as can be. Most importantly, check out the rockers, corner cabs, perfect. This is literally just road debris. you're not familiar with these frames, this isn't even surface for us. That's just loose dirt on top of the frame that rubs right off. That frame is absolutely perfect. You still have the markings on the leaf springs. Look at those floor pans. That's how it is throughout the entire bottom side of the truck. All the cables are perfect. She is as clean as it gets, guys. Like I said, the only thing to nitpick are these crappy side steps, which I would take off anyways. So all 4 tires are in great condition. You have 2 correct load Michelins up front. And as you see, they have great tread. You have great tread BFG all-terrains in the back. So the rears are BFG KO2s. The fronts are Michelins, same size, correct load rating. Obviously mismatched from front to back, but all 4 tires have great tread. So if you're looking for a great mechanical sounding, good looking overall truck, we're gonna sell it like this, the way it is, at a certain price that will be listed on our website and on eBay. Now, the second option is for us to go through and spice it up just a little bit to have, if you're looking for a nice work truck and you want to show up to the job standing tall, looking good, here's what we're going to do to it as a second option. Headlights have some oxidation. Those are cheap headlights. Driving lights are cheap as well. We're going to replace those. We'll go ahead and replace the whole front grille. That's a work truck grille with the upgraded SLT chrome grille. That way your front end starts to look strong. We have a factory set of GMC 2500 wheels, aluminum, that go on the same generation SLT version, the Suburban 2500. The real nice polished aluminum. If you're looking at this truck, you know what wheels I'm talking about. We're gonna install those with a set of 285, 75, 16 tires. Beef it up a little bit, get the nice wheels on it, looking good. We're gonna paint correct the whole body. So the paint's gonna come out looking absolutely like new. The residue from the sticker is gonna be off of the truck. The little diesel fuel, the American flag, hey, we love some patriotic trucks, but that's gonna come off. Clean out the boxes, full interior detail. Like I said, paint correct, clean out the bed, pretty much get this thing standing as tall as possible. Get rid of these ugly side steps, go with some nice oval 6-inch chrome side steps, and that right there will bring this truck to life. It's also gonna cost a few bucks as well, so keep that in mind. So if you're looking for a super cheap work truck, buy it like this. If you want to stand tall, looking good going down the road, buy it the way I just described it. So up to you guys. Also, this is a pre-listing, obviously. So if you're gonna buy it like this, we're gonna sell it like this. If it doesn't sell like this, we're gonna do all the upgrades and take a bunch of glorified pictures, but you see the way the truck is. I towed my boat with it, drives 100%, AC's absolutely ice cold, beautiful truck. Any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.